Okay, welcome to my short presentation about fashion. Now I will start with the question, what is fashion? Or what is the meaning of fashion? Fashion, fashion is the way you show who you are by clothes and accessories you wear. Now I want to show you how fashion has changed over the last centuries. During the 16th century, women wore long dresses, and men's, on the other hand, were a tight vest and leggings and clothes like this. Um, in the 17th century, women's fashion included dresses with tight booties and full skirts, and men chooses knee, knee light pants and jackets for their outfit like this. The 18th century, women started wearing waistcoats, knee-length pants, and wings. No, sorry, elaborate dresses with wide skirts and tight corsets. And men wore waistcoats, knee-length pants, and wings. In the 19th century, clothing were um, long dresses with hoops or bustlers under the skirt, and the man moved from formal suits to more casual clothes like no, sorry. Meanwhile, men wore tailcoats and tundras. Yeah. Um, in the 20th century, brought many changes. Women wore long dresses, knee-long skirts for women, and men moved from formal suits to more casual clothes like um, sweet, sweet jeans and sweater jeans and t-shirts. In the 21st century, women are wearing crop tops and baggy jeans. Meanwhile, men was wearing wore baggy jeans and t-shirts. Now I will changes. Now I will say about the changes, the influences of the major fashion changes here. Changes in the culture affect fashion a lot. New technology also changed fashion. For example, when the sewing machine was invented, it was easier to make clothes and became dresses differently. Now, to the end, I will show you a clip of Blair Waldorf. She explained everything, so she summarized it. Yeah, this was my presentation. I hope you enjoyed.